Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick review of this synthetic wig from BLL Hair. It's a company here on Amazon. So if you want to see how I got it together, my thoughts on the wig, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, how are you? As you can see, I'm wearing a stocking cap, which means I'm going to attempt to do a wig review. I received this wig from a company here on Amazon. The name of the company is BLL Hair. So they send me over this, let me just give you the specs on it. Chocolate brown lace front wig. It's a 13x4 synthetic, pre-pluck, glueless. And it's 26 inches long, dark brown wig for a black woman. You know how the titles are. Alrighty, so the price for this one is $43.99. So we want to do a review and see how it is. So the wig came in this little box here, cute box. Says HD wig. All right. And it came with the card. This card, it says here, tester, get a free here. Something, it's just advertising. Alrighty, so this is just telling you about the company and the wig itself. 100% premium fiber. Okay, HD front. And then this one is the manual that tells you how you should care for the wig. Effortless lace melt, skin tone, liquid foundation, or you can use a tint spray, and it's telling you that you should cut it here with a razor for best results. So it came with a stocking cap, but I already put the stocking cap on for you guys. So the hair comes with 2 combs, one here and one on the other side, one in the nape, and the adjustable drawstring here. All right, so I'm just gonna put it on the, I'm just gonna hook it. You can either hook it this way, which is what I would do. You can hook it together like this, or you can hook it inside of the wig itself where they have these little holes. All right, so this is how the front is looking. And it has a part down the middle. So you know what, let's just put it on and see how it looks. We don't want this wig, we don't want this video to be too long. This color is very chocolatey. All right, so this is the hairline. Okay, so this is how the hairline looks. Let me see if I can. That's the hairline. It feels very snug. So that's how we look without even doing anything to it. So don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to I'm going to use my foundation brush. We're going to color this because All right, I'm gonna use my foundation brush and I'm gonna color this because right now we can see that it's too light, right? I'm gonna take it off and color the inside part because let's take it off and we're gonna color here because the parting, we need to color this to match your scalp. So I'm just gonna color in the center really. And color the center so it looks more natural. So let me go and cut off the lace and then I'll come back and try it back on, okay? So I'm just using my brush, my foundation brush. I'm not adding any additional product on there, just whatever I had on the brush. Like this, just going around. So I thought I was recording. I just put a little bit of the lace tint spray on the front, just right here in the direct front, just to melt the lace a little bit. And I'm just using my foundation, my concealer I should say, just to clean up this part a little bit. This is an easy way, guys. I like the chocolate color of it. Wish it had a little bit like highlights or something, but not bad at all. Easy to go wig. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit of concealer down the part. Right, the front blend in really well. You see it? All right. This is just an easy throw on if you don't have time to do your hair. You put your stocking cap on and you're ready to go. Let me see if I can put on something white so you guys could see the chocolate better. Hold on. Okay guys, so there isn't much trouble or much that you have to do to fix up this hair. Very easy. Okay guys, so there isn't much that you have to do to get this wig together. It's very easy. All I did was just lace or use the lace spray down at the top here just to melt it a little bit. I put a little bit of mousse on the top just to lay it a little bit flatter, and I brushed it down. I put on my white shirt so you could see it, so it goes to like my boobs, like right here. That's the bottom. Okay, and let me show you how it looks when everything goes in the back. That's the back. Okay, that's where it goes in the back. So it's a very easy and simple wig. that, you know, if you're going out, you can just throw her on. You don't have to worry about leaving out your edges because everything is covered. So I really do like this wig. I do want to thank BLL Hair for sending me out this wig. This is my 3rd time working with you guys, and I really do appreciate to get to try out these hair so I can let you guys know. As I stated before, it's an Amazon seller, so what I would do is leave the link for this wig down in the description section, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like it. And I really like it. I like the color. It's very pretty, very chocolatey, and it looks nice against the white. So again, I thank BLL Hair for sending me out this hair. I really do appreciate it. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick review. Just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy this quick review of this chocolate brown 24-inch wig from an Amazon seller, BLL. Thank you again for sending me out this unit. I'll be sure to leave the links of everything down in the comment section. This wig was very easy for me to install. Alright guys, I'll leave the link again down in the description section. Alright, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.